Alright, here we have a 1997 Mercedes E320. Basically, it's a lost key situation. So we're going to go ahead and generate a key from scratch. We already got the car open. Now we're going to try to recreate the key from nothing and then do the special programming that's needed to get this engine started. We'll come back in a little bit. Alright, we finished with this E320. Basically made the key from scratch. You see it's nighttime now. This takes a few hours. Works the doors nice. I have the chip inside the key right now. So basically this chip is coded to this car now. This is what everybody wants to see. It's kind of dark, but you hear the engine starts right up. So if you have any questions, you need us to help you out and you're in Georgia, give us a call. If you're in another state, you're going to have to call somebody local. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmith group. Thank you.